What's up guys and welcome to a new video. First of all, I don't think there's anybody who looks ugly from its nature. Some are just lazy and don't get the best out of themselves. That's why I got you covered in today's video with 5 things that could make a man ugly. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1 guys, exercising too much. Don't get me wrong here, so exercising in general is the key in order to look attractive. But if you do it too much, it could also lead to the opposite. Because your body will always be sore and under stress, and therefore your overall look will be much worse as well. It can lead to bad skin, bad hair and bad mood as well. So keep it motivated guys, take your breaks and you're good to go. Number 2 guys, dealing with too much stress. So stress is the number 1 factor of becoming ugly and also aging much faster. As I already said, it can lead to bad skin, hair loss and other health issues as well. Again guys, make sure you have a balanced lifestyle, take your breaks, practice meditation once a day and you're ready to become your best version possible. Number 3 guys, don't drinking enough water. Being dehydrated is one of the worst things ever. Remember guys, the main part of your body consists out of water. So better make sure to supply enough. Otherwise guys, you will have dry skin, you will not look as muscular as you could be, bad hair and even deal with dark circles under your eyes. Definitely make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day and you will not deal with those issues. Number 4 guys, having a bad posture. Your posture makes a huge difference on your first impression on somebody else. If you have a good posture, you will be perceived as someone who is much more confident and you will also look taller as well. Take care of your posture and make sure to do some stretching exercises. Make sure to stay in motion, don't sit the whole day because that is what causes bad posture. Exercise and your posture will get better as well. And last but not least, having bad manners and not treating other people right. Definitely the most important reason for being ugly. Have good manners guys, be kind to others and treat them the way you would love to be treated. Trust me guys, your personality is still the most important factor of how you're getting perceived by others. Even if you look like a model but your personality is the opposite, it will simply make you an overall ugly person. So definitely keep that in mind and prioritize it as well. And that's basically it for today's video. Those were my top 5 things that can make a man ugly. Comment below if you know anything else that can make someone ugly. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and become part of the family. I will upload every second day a new video to help you guys to become your best version. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.